This video is going to show you how you can easily add a gradient color to your text in Canva. Gradient text adds depth, creativity, and a modern look to your designs. So we'll show you a little trick on how you can get the gradient text color, since Canva currently doesn't give us an built-in option to add the gradient on our text. So what you'll want to do is to add the text layer onto your design, and then it's up to you on what color and font you want to use. I'll write Canva as an example for this video. And then, let's select a bold font, which is easily readable. So once you do this step, you'll want to make sure to select your text, and then make the color white. It is now time to add our gradient, and we will be using the Elements section at the left side of the screen to do that. So in this search bar, type the gradient color, which you want to add to your text. I want mine to be colorful, so I'll type Rainbow Gradient. But yours can be a white and blue gradient, red and blue, or whatever color you need. You can find any gradient type and color in the Elements section in Canva. I'll put this photo over my design, but make sure that you send this photo to the back, since we need to see our text layer. Select the transparency option at the top, and we're then going to reduce this to around 50%. After all of these steps, you'll want to download the photo to your computer. And that's just what I'll do. So click on Share, then Download. Select the JPG as the image format, and hit Download once again. After your photo is saved, it's time for the final steps. Go over to Canva's Upload section, and then upload that photo, which we had just downloaded. And since my photo is uploading, I can remove this photo from my design because I won't be needing it. Add that photo from the Upload section to your design. And it's now time to remove the background of this photo, since we only need the text. There are two ways of doing this, and the first way is if you're a Canva Pro user. Tap on this BG Remover option, and then wait a second or two. But if you don't have Canva Pro, and you want to do everything for free, then open a website that's called Remove.bg. And I'm going to make sure to leave that website link in the description of this video, so you can open it from there. Once my website loads, I'll upload the photo, then wait a couple of seconds until the site removes my background, and then download the photo. Upload that to Canva, and then add it to your design. Your text should look something like this, and since we had reduced the transparency in the previous step, the colors aren't that strong, so you'll want to tap on the Edit option, then Adjust, and that will give us these color sliders. And you'll want to play with these until you get the color and intensity which you need. I recommend that you increase the saturation and vibrance sliders to the maximum, and that will give your text some color vibrance and intensity. So just increase or decrease these values until you get the perfect gradient for your text. But yeah, that's about it. Those are the steps to add a gradient color to your text in Canva. Once they give us a built-in option, I'll let you know and I'll make a separate video about it. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone, and I'll see you soon!